Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And what are we going to be painting today?
A tiger shark.
A tiger shark. Is that like half tiger, half shark?
Yeah.
Okay, well great. Hey, I see that big old bracelet you have. That is awesome. So I think what was a friend of yours that made that, a special friend of yours. And as a thank you, we thought we would paint her favorite animal, which is a
Tiger shark.
tiger shark. What do we need for a tiger shark?
We need orange, black, gray, and white.
Okay, let's get started. Tiger shark.
Tiger shark.
All right, so we'll start with the tip of his nose, and we want to make sure we leave enough room for his tail. So we don't want to go all the way to the other side just yet. So let's go something like this. Stop right about there. Great. Okay, and then we're going to make the tip of his nose and come down to his mouth and give him a big old shark smile. Okay, good. Now, start right here and head down. And as you start to make the turn, we want to stop. Good. Good. Okay, now we stop because we need to put a shark fin. So we have the first one like that, and then the back of it is going to be like this, and this, and down. Great. Okay, now we're going to head back up to the tail, and before we get too far, we are gonna stop.
Like right here or farther?
That's fine. You could go a little further if you want. Good. Now we're gonna do another fin, and that's gonna be right here and right here. It's the little one in the back. Good. And then we're going to continue up and bring these pretty close together. And now we're going to do the big fin. Good. So use the rest of it, go all the way up, tip, and then we come all the way back down. Good, and then we'll connect the two at the bottom here. Good. Okay, now let's finish up some of these other fins that we'll be able to see. So there's going to be another fin right here, and this is the one that's on the other side. Okay. And then we, of course, need to give it a big shark fin. So let's say that's going to be right around here. And down. And then they don't quite go all the way. It's going to look like that. Good. Okay. And then we're going to do another fin, which is on the other side. It doesn't go all the way down because it's a little further away, like that. Very good. Now we got to make, yeah, that's like a chomper. Okay, now what we're going to do is this is going to be different than any other shark because it's a tiger shark, so it's going to have some stripes. So let's start here, and the stripes start small, but as you go down the back, they get bigger and bigger. Good. And we're just going to go all the way down the back. And then as you start to get closer to the tail, they get smaller and smaller. Awesome. Okay, and then let's do a couple here. So we're gonna make another triangle, and it's just gonna kind of follow the line here. Maybe we'll do another one right here. Okay, and then I think maybe I can fit a little one in there. I think you could too if you wanted to. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to do the reverse. We're going to put another one right here, and we're basically just going to put an opposite triangle between each one, and these are all going to be about the same size. See how they're just opposite? Very good. All the way down. Well, this is already looking fantastic. I think it's time to fast forward and bring our tiger shark to life. Yeah. All right, we are back from fast forwarding. These came out awesome. Yeah, they do look like tiger sharks. Now, I see you put a bunch of stripes here.
Yes.
Right? And we did what? Upside down triangles?
Yes.
Okay, well, awesome. Well, what else do we have to do?
Signature.
Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another creation with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your tiger shark, and we hope to see you next time.
Bye for now. Bye-bye.